Imagine this. AI didn't start with robots. It started with spies, war codes, and mathematicians drinking too much tea during World War II. Our story begins with a guy named Alan Turing, the original tech genius who helped crack secret Nazi codes with the world's first proto-computer, Bombe Machine. Yes, AI's grandpa was a code-breaking machine, fighting Nazis, not hunting humans like in Terminator. Yet, after the war, scientists thought, hey, let's make machines that think. But computers back then could barely say, hello world, without crashing. Everyone hyped AI too much, like your friend who thinks they can make the next big app but ends up coding hello world for 3 months. Funding dried up, AI went to sleep. Then came big data, GPUs, and machine learning. Suddenly, AI woke up like your laptop after 15 Windows updates. Now we have ChatGPT, Midjourney, Sora, self-driving cars, and questionable AI art of cats as astronauts. Today, AI writes code, creates art, drives cars, and probably knows your pizza order. Some people love it, others think Skynet is next. And here I am, using AI to make this very video. Maybe AI will finish my Django backend before I do. Or maybe it'll replace me as PUBG player. Nah, not today. If you like this AI time travel, hit subscribe, or a World War II computer might haunt your dreams. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another interesting topic.